Fat-burning detox drink before bed to lose 10 pounds in 1 week. Here is a powerful fat-burning detox drink before bed to lose 10 pounds in 1 week safely. If you have been trying to burn fat while detoxing your body without success, this fat-burning detox drink before bed will help you get rid of that stubborn belly fat in no time. Note, if you are allergic to any of the ingredients in this recipe or are on any health medications, please consult with your doctor before starting this remedy just to be safe. The following detox drink consists of lemons, apple cider vinegar, cinnamon, and honey, all of which when combined and consumed has a powerful fat-burning effect on the body. Apple cider vinegar helps lower blood sugar levels, kills damaging bacteria in the gut, improves digestion and breaks down fat cells. Lemons, on the other hand, helps to detoxify the body, strengthen the immune system, promotes kidney health and breaks down fat cells. Adding honey to your weight loss drink will help improve your gut health and increase your energy levels. Cinnamon helps lower high blood sugar levels, high cholesterol levels, and is used as a natural remedy to reduce the symptoms of type 2 diabetes. Drinking 8 glasses of water per day while consuming this drink will make it more effective. Ingredients: apple cider vinegar 2 teaspoon, lemon juice 2 tablespoons, raw honey 1 teaspoon, ground cinnamon 1 teaspoon, water 1 cup of hot water. Preparation: heat the water but don't let it come to a boil and add in all of the ingredients above. Mix well until you are left with a dissolved mixture and consume this drink before you go to bed for 1 week. We recommend that you rinse out your mouth with water to prevent tooth erosion that is caused by the apple cider vinegar. You now know about this powerful fat-burning detox drink before bed to lose 10 pounds in 1 week. If you liked this video or found it helpful, please share it with your friends and family, and also take a moment to subscribe this channel for more helpful weight loss tips and remedies.